In this video, we'll take a look at how OnTask allows us to set reminders and escalations to ensure that our workflow completes and doesn't get hung up with somebody in the chain. In this case, we have an approval workflow that's going to go through several layers of approval. At each layer, we want to make sure reminders and escalations are set to complete this workflow, to continue to nudge it along, and prevent it from getting stuck with any individual approver. In this first case, we'll fill out a web form that will be automatically emailed to the first reviewer. That reviewer has an approval step. Let's click on this step to get started. Here, we can toggle on task reminders. As you can see, we've now created a branch over here called Reminder Timer Ended. This allows us to continue to build out the branch for whatever we need to do once that timer expires. We set the expiration over here by months, days, and hours. Then we can edit our emails and get the wording just right to make sure that this task keeps moving along. We can also set escalations. Just like with reminders, we set the escalation toggle on. We now have an escalation branch that we can continue to build out, where we can set our timer for the escalations. Ready to build workflows and set reminders and escalations on your own? Go to ontask.io to start your free 14-day trial or schedule a demo with an OnTask team member.